this is going to be very similar to what the assignment is going to be. So let me go ahead and go to the assignment real quick. The CentOS activity, basically you will be building a script that uses the for in, which is on 10.7. And you will be listing items in the screen, and you can list whatever you want, animal, subjects, cars, whatever. But as long as it does displays like I'll show you in a minute, mine displays letters. So once you create it, I want you to create a Word document with print screens showing me where you created the file with Vim, you changed permissions and you ran it. I want to be sure to see the output list and then the contents of the script file. Okay, and I'll show you those when we're there, when I get to that point, when I finish this. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it out. Let me go ahead and do clear, start brand new. And we are going to create a new file called test2. So I'm going to do vim test2.sh. Now we're in the Vim editor. I'm going to do I to edit. You have insert on the bottom. We're going to type in that script header that we should always type in as the first line. Okay, then we're going to start off with our for in. So for letter in, and then just a. Notice how I'm doing spaces in between. That's very important because if it's together, that means that that's one of the options, DE. So let's go ahead and just run it separately for now, and I'll test it out after I complete this entire thing. So letter is the variable, remember. And these are, and remember, variables are places in the memory that hold information. So this is the information that letter is going to hold every time it goes into the loop. So the first time it goes in the loop, it's going to have A. Second time, it's going to have B. Third time, it's going to have C, and so on. So inside the loop, what do you want to repeat? Well, we want to repeat echo, or we basically just want to repeat whatever's in the variable called letter. So then we do echo $letter. $sign represents that it is a variable. And remember, anything after a pound sign, doesn't matter. It's just notes to yourself or to anybody else looking at your program. And then done. And it is red. Why is it red? Actually, probably because it doesn't like my thing. So now we'll do done. Why doesn't it like it? For letter. Oh, hello, I forgot. After for, this is actually a good thing. So you can see what happens when there's errors. I forgot the do. So I typed in this one, typed in for, I skipped do, which is part of it, part of the syntax that needs to be there for it to work. Then we had echo and then done, and now I can do exit. Let me know if you have any questions. You can stop me at any time. Okay. And that's the very last line that we always need. Now I'm going to go ahead and press escape. We're not in edit mode, so now I'm going to do :WQ, and now we're out. Okay, we're going to change permissions of this file so that we can make it into an executable. test2.sh is the name of my file. And now we're going to run it. to.sh. And there it is. It displayed the different items in my list. Not too bad, huh? Okay, so what I want to do, oh yeah, okay, so let me go back real quick to the assignment. Okay, so in the assignment, it says that I want to see the vim, the permissions, and the run commands. So this is it right here. And I also wanted to see the output of the items. So to tell you the truth, this right here is a print screen that I need. So both of these fit on one page. Okay, then I want to see the contents of the script file. So that means that you would need to do vim test2.sh or whenever you're in it, and then do a print screen of this. So I need at least 2 different print screens. You put them in a Word document and then you upload it here and you'll be done. Now, one thing I wanted to test is, oops, to edit. I just wanted to make sure that we can have multiple characters. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just leave that with 3 A's. Escape : WQ. Then remember, you don't need to do the permission thing again. So I just did the up arrow, running test, and there it is. Any questions? So now if when you're doing the assignment, go to the I to insert. Let's say I'm doing cars, Mustang. Maybe I'm doing animals, so I'm doing cat, dog, elephant. Okay, I escape, WQ. And now we run it again, and there's my list again. And that's it. That's all you will have to do for the assignments. Remember, it's just print screens that you submit. In the Windows activity, I wanted the actual script file. For Linux, I just want print screens of these 3 things in a Word document. So any questions about anything? Well, that is it. That is all I have for you today. If there are no questions, you're free to go. We're on week 11. Be sure to do the quiz and the 2 activities. Then we'll have 5 weeks left of the semester and we will be done. So let's get it done. Have a good weekend, and let me know if you have any questions or issues. Just email me. Okay, you too, Daniel.
Yes, first I have a question. Do you mind pausing recording?
Oh, yeah. Thank you for saying that. Am I even recording? Stop recording.